I am Mani. Today I am going to discuss data frames. Like I am using a Python library, Pandas. I have already made so many videos, but in this video, two-dimensional counterparts to one-dimensional series is a data frame. So, if you want to understand this data structure, it helps to know how it is constructed. So database is a spreadsheets along. So if you think of a data frame as a row oriented and interface will feel wrong. So many tabular data structures are row oriented. Perhaps this is due to the spreadsheets and CSV files dealt with on the row by row basis. Perhaps it is due to the many like um, online transactions processing. You can say also OLTP database that are row oriented out of the boxes. So a data frame is often used analytical purposes and is better understood when thought of as column oriented where each columns is a series. So let's see, just I am going to create here the simple Python version like a column oriented. So let's see, if I write here df as a variables data frame, and because it look like a dictionary, so you can write here INDEX, and this one has been like this 0, 1, 2, and again comma. Now this one like a columns, and this is also like this colon, and now start the another look like a dictionary. So first the column and you start a square brackets, then you write here, because write this one as a curly bracket, and you start from here like a something name, another is name, and you can write the name is related like a growth, and comma data, need to write here data, and you can go here colon. Now the bracket start 0.5 dot 0.7 dot 1.2. So this one is the basic look like this one, and again you can represent here, because I have already put it here look like something. You can go back and you can put here comma, and create another this one, and write here name as a another data look like this one. So you can start from here, name, and again colon, and this one look like this. Like that. It will start from the capital name, comma, and it start the second as a data, again colon, and it will like a Paul, another George, and third you can say I think because str here, so need here another right here Ringo, and it has been closed like this, and 1 and 2, so need to go back I think here. So this has been created and need to here one more comma. So let's see the just I have created a data look like this, and I want to see like this, because one more thing, just if I am creating a data, so I have to store like something. So let's see, first I want to see and then try to solve this one. So I hope this one is clear. So I have created this data. Now I want to define this data like a def functions, def get underscore row, get underscore row, and start a parenthesis df and idx. Now this one, and another is the results will equal to like this square brackets and value index, so results, and then you can go here like a value underscore idx will equal to data frame df, and need to create here index index dot index idx. So let's see dot index and idx. So let's see, just I am try to write here, yeah, it is right. Similarly I am going to here use like a for. So if I go to write here for loop column in df or in df like cols, right, and this one next is the results, because slice has been given, so results dot append method. If you want to add anything, append parenthesis column and then start a square brackets. Now the data, and we'll start again another square brackets, and you can write here value underscore idx, and then I try to return. So let's see, just go back, return results, right, return results. So let's see here. Similarly, just get row, and if I construct the data look like this, means the row are accessed where the index and column are accessible from the columns names. Below are the simple functions for the accessing the row and columns. So if I create here another way, just you can give right here get underscore column. I think each and everything look like the same, but let's try here get underscore row, get underscore row and parenthesis df comma 1. So you can see here get underscore row and df 1. So your row is like this one, so df row and df comma 1 here. So I think it is not getting this value. Why? Get underscore row, is it not working? I think col. Let's try here, don't worry, because I have created here. So I think let's start from get underscore row df. I think I have created a df. Let's see. So I think get underscore row is a missing one required position. Missing one required position. Argument idx. Idx has been. So if I write the indexing, look like a comma 1, then it is no again cols columns. I have col and cols. I think for col in df cols. Okay, for it has been given look like this, df and I write here the index and dot index idx right here for col in df and cols as in the side of the square brackets. Now you can see here it will start from the result, I think, and results this one, and return it will start from the code. Okay, return it will start from this one. So I think just something is the missing, so let's see the correct here. Possible or not possible, return, then you can see here index for, because I am going to describe here. I hope this is right, and return results, so I need to get the return results. Need to go. Say df dot columns, is it right here? So let's see the code, then it is possible to create here, right? Yeah, so it has been created, look like this one, because this one is a columns and it has been created, look like this. So I hope so. 0.7, look here, 0th positions in the ladder, and here you can see here the 1th position. So the data frame, it contains the 1th as 0.7. Similarly, I can also create like the same data as it look like this. So another things, just it maybe means data has been given append method, because I am going to the add here. So let's try to check here, because same procedure, so I try to write here. And if functions I am using, and same thing you can also use here. So let's see, is it working? Def functions, okay, and parenthesis you need to the here also you can write the if, and then return also. Yeah, because slicing, so this is the important to the understand the slicing here. So everywhere here I think it has written something. Okay, so now you can also write here get underscore get underscore col and bracket start df. So I think you write here this one. What happened? Missing one requirement. So let's see the df or comma something like a name. So look like a name. Can write here the one like this. So I think just I have gotten the same mistakes again. Let's see, the return is here, get underscore and df. Okay, so we can go here and get underscore start df and colon name. Let's see. So I think we are getting this some problem from here. Indentations. This is the another and what we can do here. So I think I am getting the same problem like this way. I hope I think I am getting some problem look like same like a previous. So is it possible to change something like this? Okay, column and return something is missing, but I do think second already it has been taken and the return return into back and just before I have to use like this. First time need to the expected the indented block. Okay. So don't worry, is I am getting the some error look like a sometime get this type of problem, but this is not a can't see the anything just here. Sometime I am getting the basic problems and let's write the another code, don't worry. Name name as it is right. Yeah, so now it is working here. I think get the column. Okay, so now it is, but you don't have the right here the columns, and so you can easily get it. Sometime you can also write the slash name. I think let's see name. Is it possible to write a columns name? No. So you start here a small name. So I think in data structures it contains the name. Yeah, it contains the name. Okay, so let's see next how to create a data frame. Just I have already discussed. So first I need to the import pandas, and we can see here as PD pandas as a PD, and already I have created as a data frame. So you write as it is df will equal to ed dot data frame ed dot data frame and parentheses look like this, and now growth this one, and it will start from 0.5 comma 0.7 comma 1.2. Names name parenthesis and this one has been start like a call George and Ringo, like a Ringo. So let's see, this data has been created and now I am going to write here. So this data look like here. You can previous data as a like a simple pythons, and this data has been created through a library, Pandas library. So you can easily see the difference between these two datas. So let's see, just if I write here the df dot ilog d dot ilog and want to see here only the second, you can see here ilog is the growth name, growth and name. So growth 1 point means second, means only need to write a second row because it will start from the 0th rows first and second. So you write here. So you can see easily, very simple way, and you are not like getting any problem. So df and like name is the another. So if you want to see the only the name, it look like a SQL. So you can see here Paul, George. If you want to name only the growth, so you can see the growth. So let's see the change here. If you write here growth, so you can see growth. So the value means leftmost value 0, 1, 2 are the index, and there are the two columns, grow and name. So data structure like a series has hundreds of attributes and methods. So we will highlight it main features like a below. Like if I use the ilog attributes, means one of the way we can access a row is by location index. ilog location index of. Similarly, column are also accessible via the multiple methods. So one of the indexing the column name directly of the objects like this. So look here, this one is a represent as a axis and index. Axis is here and index is here, and this is a Pandas DataFrame. And similarly you see, and you can also edit the some ages, names, other professions, and you can look like a, you write here type of the data means df, and this one like a name. So write here name. So let's see, you can easily see the types of panda.core.series types of data present here. Next I write here like a df data frame and name dot str dot lower. and parentheses. So let's see. So this has been, the name has been changed, or the name has been changed. Look like here, no, name has been changed in lower cases. So the data frame override, and it is a greater underscore and to allow to the access the column as an attribute. So you can easily create here, I think, columns means dict of list, rows list of dicts. A CSV file you can write here the pd.read underscore CSV. You can also use the numpy NDRE, others like SQS, SD, F5, arrow, etc. So the way to understand this data frame, and types means float 64, integer 64, data time time delates, categories, object, strings. So you can easily describe one by one. So I hope it will be, you can understand so how to create a data frame in Python and how to create a data in Pandas.